Hi everyone. In the previous videos we have studied about the for loop and the while loop, and this video is all about the do while loop. Do while loop is a bit different from the for loop and while loop. In for and while loop the condition is checked first and then the body of the loop will execute it if the condition is true. If the condition is false, the body of the loop will not be executed. But in the do while loop the body of the loop will be executed first and then the condition is checked. So do while loop is the only loop which will be executed at least once. Now let us move to the code part, and this is our do while file. Let me write a piece of code here with do while loop, then we'll explain you that how the do while loop will work. So this is the syntax of do while loop. Do the body of the loop, I'll print hello over here, and I'll do increment over here I plus plus. Before this I'll initialize a variable over here, int I is equal to 0, and after the body of the loop I'll write here while I'll check the condition in the while plus plus and put a semicolon over here. I'll just compile it and run it. Hello will be printed 5 times. I'll just put a backslash n over here. Now you can see that hello is printed 5 times. So now I'll explain you that how this do while loop is working. So when we run the program, it initialize the variable I with the variable 0, then it come inside the do loop, it prints hello, then increment it by 1. So here the check does 1 less than 5. When you compare all this with the for loop, here 0 less than 5 is checked first, then if it is true then this will work. Same goes for while live, 0 less than 5, and if it is true then this will work. But here the body of the loop will be executed first and then the condition is checked. So 1 less than 5 is checked, and again it goes back to here inside do, and hello will be printed 2 less than 5. Then again here hello will be printed 3 less than 5. Again here hello will be printed 4 less than 5. Again here hello will be printed for the 5th time, and it is 5, but 5 is not less than 5, so the body of the loop will not be executed. Let me give you a perspective here. For that do while loop is executed at least once, I'll write here 10. Now the condition is false, but when we compile this code hello will be printed once. So the condition is false, but the body of the loop is executing. Now you will get the idea that this loop will execute at least once even if the condition is false. So this is all about the loops you have studied till now: for loops, while loops, and do while loop. The next videos we will study about the jump statements. Thank you.